Today I will discuss one more question from mid-semester examination. So that was in 1A, that is check the analyticity of the function h to the power z part in C. So we have one theorem, that is complex form of CR equation, that if fz is differentiable, then fz bar equal to 0. Okay. So if f is differentiable, this will be 0. So contra positively we can say if not equal to 0. Contra positively we can say if not equal to 0, then fz is not differentiable. Okay. So first we see this function is differentiable or not. So we apply this. So if we find fz bar, so this will give the same. So this will never be 0 for all z belongs to C. So this implies that this f of z e to the power z bar is not differentiable in C. And here it's asking that the analyticity. So analytic function is nothing but with related to differentiation. So a function, so we prove that fz is not differentiable in C. So analytic function fz is analytic at a point z0 in C if fz is differentiable at every point of some neighborhood of the point z0. ठीक है. सो z0 पॉइंट के नेबरहुड में अगर fz डिफरेंशिएबल है तभी एनालिटिक होगा, अगर डिफरेंशिएबल नहीं है तो एनालिटिक नहीं होगा. So we prove that fz is not analytic, not differentiable. We prove that in C. So this implies that this fz is not analytic in C. So this was very simple question, as the theorem we have used was given in the question. If you like it, please subscribe and share with your friends. I will discuss the questions from each semester. Thank you very much.